Ahoy, sailors, and welcome back to Sailors 365.
Come aboard with us in today's episode as Princess Cruises unveils a fleet of changes to their Princess Plus and Premier packages. Touted as upgrades, they're certainly making waves, but I'm not sure they're the right kind. Get ready to savor the sea breeze along with a delicious 3-course meal because casual dining is now on the house for Princess Plus and Premier guests. With diverse options from Vine's, Salty Dog Pub, and O'Malley's, among others, your culinary journey will be as fascinating as the destinations you'll visit. Now, I'm all for more gastronomic variety, but it stings that individual selections and a la carte pricing will continue for those not enrolled in these packages. Our beloved Princess Cruises president, John Paget, is all gung-ho about offering memorable meals without hesitation, all while touting an unparalleled value. Sure, the main dining rooms, World Fresh Marketplace, and poolside delights at Slice and Coffee and Cones are still complimentary for all guests, but what about the room service? That used to be free, remember? Now, here's the kicker. Room service delivery is only complimentary for Plus and Premier package guests. Princess, we loved you for the ease and luxury of on-demand service anywhere, anyplace, or anytime on a ship. But now, if you're not part of the Plus or Premier squad, prepare to part with $5 per delivery. Ouch, right? There's more. Princess is also adding their revolutionary OceanNow on-demand delivery service to these packages. It sounds like a dream, getting your cravings satisfied wherever you are on the ship. But wait, there's a one-time activation fee of $14.99 per guest, per voyage. Thankfully, Plus and Premier guests get this fee waived, small mercies indeed. And let's not forget the Green Lane status for express boarding, made possible by the Princess Medallion delivered to your home. This convenience comes as part of the Plus and Premier packages, but at a nominal shipping fee for standard fare guests. So, where does that leave us cruisers? Yes, the Princess Plus and Princess Premier packages are becoming more enticing, offering over 70% savings compared to a la carte purchases. But it seems like the standard guests are getting the short end of the stick here. If you ask me, it feels a bit like pay to play. The more you pay, the more you get. But shouldn't cruising be about making luxury accessible for everyone? So, what do you think? Are these changes making you want to book your next Princess cruise right now? Or do they leave a sour taste in your mouth? Let us know in the comments section below, and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time.
That's all for now, sailors. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel, hit the like button on this video, and we'll see you next time, sailing on the high seas.